Bonjour tout le monde. Aujourd'hui, c'est vendredi, le 8 octobre. Le mot de passe, hopefully you've done your Flipgrid already, but just in case, this is the time to do it if you have not already. Et le mot de passe est moi aussi. Aujourd'hui dans l'histoire, we'll look at that in a minute. You have your quick write, your weekly check-in. There is a Muzzy video available to watch, as well as la chanson, practicing those numbers, et TPR, practicing those different gestes, different gestures. Bon, aujourd'hui c'est vendredi le 8 octobre et c'est l'anniversaire de Laetitia Pujol. Laetitia Pujol. Elle est née en 1975. So if you do a little bit of math. So elle a 46 ans, 46 today. Elle est une danseuse étoile. Danseuse, pretty easy to figure out what that means. Étoile, she's a star dancer or a principal dancer, a lead. Du ballet de l'Opéra National de Paris. L'Opéra National, l'Opéra de Paris, is this beautiful building right here. This is the exterior and here's the interior. It's where the Phantom of the Opera was set, if you're familiar with that at all. And it has its own ballet that is part of the groups that perform there. So there is an actual opera with opera singers as well as a ballet that is part of the Opéra de Paris. Laetitia Pujol a commencé à danser. Commencer. That word looks a lot like commence in English, or to begin. So she began. Elle a commencé à danser, began dancing. Quand elle avait, when she was 8 ans. And then you can take a look at an example of her dancing on this link. Okay, your quick write for today. I continue putting une minute here. If you want to up that to a minute and a half or even 2 minutes, you're more than welcome to do so. I know that having a little bit of process time first might result in a better writing experience for you. So that's fine if you want to up the time a little bit, but also remember your goal. So if you are going for a certain number of words, if you are going for writing something, a type of quick write, like a rewrite of a story or talking about yourself, etc. Just remember whatever you are hoping to accomplish by the end of the quarter, which is coming up in just a couple weeks. Then your weekly check-in, if you could do that, I would appreciate it. And finally, Muzzy, again, not required, but it is a really great way to just listen to some French. And the way that things are presented, it's all very comprehensible. So if you go to, here, I'll back up a little bit here. If you go to today's folder in Schoology, so we're going to go to Cette Semaine, and then you'll see the folder for Vendredi, and it'll be right there. You should be able to access it this way, but if you have any questions, just let me know. And then the other two things on our schedule were, of course, la chanson, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, et les gestes. La classe touche le coude, la classe danse, la classe joue, la classe mange, etc. Okay, so finish all that stuff up. Make sure that you've completed your assignments for the week, and I will see you again lundi. Au revoir tout le monde. Bon weekend.